Well, get another package, or let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Skytech. And let's go ahead and get you out of the way. And I'm going to pause and start taking the pieces out. So 1 second. So basically the current PC is over 12 years old and had been making some pretty strange sounds. I'm not sure what this is. It looks like it's just random foam packaging. Interesting. And then we got a box within a box. So hang on a second. This is actually kind of heavy. So I don't know if you can see this here. That gives you kind of an idea of what we're going to be taking out of the box. So hang on a little bit more while I take this box apart. Okay, so I got a folder here with some other material. And then a mouse. We got the keyboard. Let's see, power cord. Looks like we might have a couple of antennae here. I'm not. So came in with a dust cover. It does have drawstrings, and it has a lot of this foam packaging around it. I'm not sure if I can actually get this into view here, but here's the back view. I'm going to have to take that off. It says important monitor connection. So I have removed before use. Looks like we have something binding up right there. Curious about that. And then we have a serial number I'm not going to show. There's one big fan I can already see right there. And then on top, I believe there's 3 fans underneath there. Important stop. Please review your quick start guide before plugging in your new PC. You see here a large door filter for air. And yeah, there's your fans right there. I'm going to try to read the specs right now for you. This is actually kind of a budget PC. So this is a Skytech Blaze 4 Black Gaming Computer. And the processor in this one is an Intel i7-14700F. Graphics, NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti. Memory, 32G DDR5. And 52 megahertz RGB. Storage, 2 terabyte NVMe. Operating system came loaded with Windows 11 home version. I'm still on the fence on whether to switch to Linux or not. Feel free to shout in the comments for your suggestions. At the moment, I'm not going to power it up until I read up on the information that came with it. Let's see if we can quickly look through these other components. So I'm going to take this out of the way. Here's a look at some of the peripheral. So on top, and it's pretty plain on the other side. So I'm going to set this down. That is the bulk of the weight. And we'll just take a quick look at the mouse and keyboard that were packaged separately. You know, braided cord there. Very aerated design. Not sure if it lights up. We'll see about that. And then this one, you can already see we got a little bit of function combination keys. So it looks like this lights up possibly. The ordering information did not specify the various details on the mouse or keyboard. They just said that it was included. And this was a preset bundle. I did some pricing, and it was actually cheaper to order a bundle package than it was to try to build my own or go for anything really fancy. What you can see here, it's pretty quiet. It's not the clicky clacky. It's kind of a squishy kind of keyboard. This is probably going to be a lit up section, and I'm not sure if it's going to be underlit under there, possibly from the way it looks. But I'll try to post an update video once I get this running, and stay tuned. But for now, taking a quick look at something from Skytech Gaming. This looks like other product offerings there, other examples of what this might look like, or some of the other product offerings. You see, here include maintenance troubleshooting guide and quality control certificates. So this is from 2024 time frame. PC unboxing. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage Milsurp tools and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos from more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.